I don't remember the last time that I went a full day with going out on Twitter. I have one, Taylor has one, athletes have them, the president has one, and I'm sure most of you have one. Twitter is everywhere. It's a game changer and has changed the way people receive news. You can pull your phone out at any time and check the score of a game whenever you want, but as entertaining as it can be, people often forget the detriment it can cause. For instance, I'm not one to take things personally. In fact, I got a bit of a chuckle out of this, but when someone tweets at you that you know nothing about sports and should return to the kitchen, mind you, that's the PG-rated version, there's an obvious problem about what hiding behind a screen can bring people to say. Twitter and other social media are breeding grounds for those who would normally not have the audacity to say something to your face, but instead behind a screen. For those that think hiding behind a screen is giving you security, think twice and remember that @BaileyO'Carroll is a real person. And while I know this may not change how you act on social media, keep in mind that real people can be affected by what you say, and that's the way it is.